all and welcome to Trara's Solution. In today's session, we'll be seeing some mitigation against device-related threats. So let's see today's topic, how to mitigate against device-related threats. So devices can be threat vectors for cyber criminals who want to gain access to or control of and data to cause harm. Let's see what are the mitigation measures. There are different ways to protect devices and data. What is device hardening? It is how you minimize the possibility of having device vulnerabilities that can be exploited. You can use the following methods. Make sure devices have the latest security updates. Turn off any unused devices. Enable security features supported through the device operating system. Require PIN or biometrics such as facial recognition to access devices. Many modern operating systems have capabilities that support device hardening. Example, user can enable automatic operating system updates to help protect against known vulnerabilities and ensure continued availability of the device. Updates all support security features such as virus and threat protection and firewall functionality. These features are easily enabled and can help your connected device secure to maintain the confidentiality and integrity of accessible data. So let's see what is encryption. So it is a process that turns information onto the device into unintelligible data. The only way to make this information useful is to reverse the encryption. This requires a specific password or key that's only available to the authorized user. When the information is encrypted, it becomes useless without the correct key or password. This way, data confidentiality is maintained. Example, some operating systems can come with built-in tools that enable you to encrypt your computer's hard drive or any storage device you connect to it. Let's see some limit application device access. The best way to limit access to your application is to ensure that they are closed or secure when you are not using them. You do this by locking a device when you step away from it. If the device is small enough, keep it with you. Example, suppose you have left your smartphone on the desk and hurried off for an urgent meeting. A bad actor would use your phone to access any of your apps. They could send messages, access bank accounts, and make purchases, all by using apps from your devices. If they are smart, they would leave the device where they found it, or you would never know. Example, this threat applies to your work computer. Suppose you are busy working on important and sensitive data and step away from your computer to get a coffee. A criminal could now use the unsecured computer to lock up secret or sensitive data or download it to a USB drive. Thank you.